Hi, in this video, we will compare Mangools and SEOquake Insights. Mangools is a set of easy-to-use search engine optimization tools for freelancers, bloggers, affiliate marketers, small to medium enterprises, SEO and marketing agencies. Its key features, like keyword research, competitor analysis, SERP analysis, and others, help extract key data from all tools. Keyword Finder is the primary Mangools tool and the most used. It provides metrics on rankings, search volume, CPC, PPC, keyword difficulty, and more. The Search Engine Results Page Checker tool shows the results that a searcher will see for a particular keyword. Also, it examines how you would rank for the same keyword suggestions. Search Engine Results Page Watcher is a Mangools rank tracking tool. It monitors your search engine results page ranking for the given keywords. This tool provides information on your rank, how the keyword is trending, estimated traffic, search volume, and other performance indexes. Mangools Link Miner tool allows for backlink analysis of your page and your competitors and identification of link building opportunities. It provides site profiler backlink results, pointing to the domain or URL that you enter. Site Profiler provides an SEO profile of a website based on its popularity on Facebook and backlink strength. It offers extra insight, such as the top content of a competitor's website, which can help generate ideas for your site. Mangools offers a free plan forever, and paid plans start at $19 per month. On the other hand, SEOquake is one of the most well-known browser plugin, and it allows you to analyze pages in the Google Index for search engine optimization. This SEO audit tool is a Chrome, Opera, and Firefox web browser plugin. Get an instant SEO summary for any web page you browse with the interactive SEO bar. One click will open a compact, informative lightbox with a brief SEO overview, including page, domain, and backlink details. You can also thoroughly analyze search engine results page and export the results in CSV format. Get a detailed and structured report on all keywords found on the page. SEOquake is a free SEO tool. If you want to use both Mangools and SEOquake Insights for free, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.